By carefully heating pipe ends and the flange using induction heating and maintaining temperature just below the melting point and applying controlled pressure and minimal rotation, we achieved a strong, durable weld without melting the metal.
And now we're coming to the first place award. And it goes to Sorsys Technologies and FuseRing for the dynamic solid-state welding machine.
The responsibility that you hold, the work that you had to do to get there, is hard for others, I think, to imagine. And the responsibility that you bear for the success of our province and our country going forward is an enormous one.